Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning a technique how to multiply any number with 12. In this example, 55,017 times 12. Step 1. Insert zeros at the ends of the number. So in this example, add 0 before 5 and 0 after 7. Step 2. Double the digits and add the neighbors. Neighbor is a number on the right. So we'll start with 7 and 0. 7 times 2 equals 14 plus 0 is 14. Carry over 1. Then move on to the next digit. So 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 7 equals 9. So remember, we have a carryover from 14, which is 1. So as you add the neighbors, don't forget to add the carryovers. So 9 plus 1 equals 10, which will also have another carryover. And then we'll move on to the next digit, 0 and 1. So 0 times 2 equals 0, plus 1 equals 1, plus the carryover 1 equals 2. Then 5 and 0, 5 times 2 equals 10, plus 0 is 10. Then 5 times 2 equals 10, plus 5 equals 15, plus the carryover 1, which becomes 16. And last, 0 times 2 equals 0 plus 5 equals 5, plus the carryover 1 equals 6. And there you got the final answer. So 55,017 times 12 is equal to 660,204. See how fast we got the answer? See if you could try it yourself. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.